everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss a priority table of a functional group. So here we have one table representing all the functional group in a descending order of their priority. So format is we have four column. One is functional group, second its symbol, third its prefix, and its suffix. Suffix is used when it acts as a major functional group part of the chain, and prefix is used when it is not part of the chain. The higher functional groups are present, then the group act as a prefix. So first group is carboxylic acid. Its symbol is COOH. Its prefix, it is the top highest priority group, so its prefix is not used. Its suffix is oic acid. General format may be alkanoic acid. So first is carboxylic acid, suffix oic acid. It is the top highest priority group in organic chemistry. Second is sulfonic acid. Its symbol is SO3H. Its prefix is sulfo, and when it acts as a main functional group, then its suffix is used, sulfonic acid. So general format alkane sulfonic acid. Third is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride, it is a derivative of carboxylic acid. Symbol is its nomenclature is slightly different. It is not used as prefix. Its suffix is oic anhydride. Oic anhydride. Actually, it is formed by the anhydration of 2 carboxylic acid. That's why oic comes from carboxylic acid, and anhydride, removal of water from 2 corresponding acids. Fourth is ester. Again, it is a derivative of carboxylic acid. Its symbol is C double bond O OR. Its prefix is, when it is used as a prefix, this will be the alkoxy alkyl plus oxygen alkoxy. This is carbonyl, alkoxy carbonyl. Prefix is alkoxy carbonyl, and its suffix is alkyl alkanoate. So general suffix is alkyl OAte. If alkane, alkanoate; if alkene, alkenoate; and if alkyne, alkynoate, depending on the nature of a carbon chain, right? Next is acid halide. Halide can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. So its prefix is halo carbonyl. X halo CO carbonyl, halo carbonyl, and its suffix is oil chloride, oil halide. If chlorine, oil chloride. If bromine, oil bromide. If iodine, oil iodide. So general is acid halide. Next is acid amide. So its symbol is CONH2. Two prefix can be used: amino carbonyl, or we can say carbamoyl. The combination of amino carbonyl is also known as carbamoyl. Carbamoyls. Its suffix is amide. Right. All these three are the derivative. All these four are the derivatives of carboxylic acid. So their priority will be lower than that of corresponding acid. Highest priority is still of carboxylic acid, and rest of their derivatives in decreasing order. Next is cyanide. Its symbol is CN. Triple bond is there between carbon and nitrogen. Its prefix is cyano, and its suffix is nitrile. So here we have from carboxylic acid to cyanide. Next is isocyanide. Its symbol is NC. Cyanide and isocyanide, they are the functional isomers having the same molecular formula but different functional groups. So its prefix is isocyano, and suffix is isonitrile. This is isocyanide, suffix is isonitrile. Cyanide and isocyanates, they are the functional isomers. Next is aldehyde. Symbol is CHO. Prefix is its formyl. You can use two prefix oxo or formyl, and its suffix is al. So general format will be alkanal. Next is ketone. Its prefix is keto, and suffix is on. Next is alcohol. Symbol is OH. When it is used as prefix, it is hydroxy, and when it is used as suffix, the main functional group, then its suffix is ol. Next is derivative of alcohol, that is thioalcohol. Symbol is SH instead of O. Now we have S for thio. Thio is used for sulfur. So its prefix is mercapto, and its suffix is thiol. Thiol is the derivative of alcohol. Next is amine group. Symbol NH2, when it is used as prefix, it is a amino, and when it is used as a suffix, then it is a amine. General format may be alkane amine. There are actually three types of amine: primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine, depending on the number of hydrogen. If NH2, primary amine; NH, secondary amine; and only N, that is a tertiary amine. This is 1 degree amine, 2 degree, and 3 degree. And last we have ether. Symbol is ROR. It is used as prefix. Then this part is alkoxy, and its suffix is alkoxy alkane. Remaining longest chain of R is alkane. So this is the priority table of a functional group, starting from carboxylic acid to ether. Ether is least priority, and highest priority is of a carboxylic acid. So in next segment we will individually write the functional groups and their organic compounds and practice of IUPAC naming. Thanks.